Today we will learn another algorithm from the chapter Hidden Line and Surfaces. The algorithm name is Painter's algorithm. In this algorithm, first you have to draw the furthest object. So draw surfaces in back to front order, nearer polygons paint over further ones. Need to decide the order to draw far object first. So draw the furthest object first. So see the figure, first draw it, then the nearer object and again the nearest object in this way. So the primary requirement for this algorithm is sorting the polygons by priority, depending on whether a polygon is covered or is covered by another polygon partly or wholly. This determination is made comparing the x, y and z extents of the various polygons. The x and y extents of the two polygons will enable decisions to be made on their overlap. Only the z extent will define their relative position with respect to the viewer. So, the z extent will define their relative position. See the figure. First, you have to draw the furthest polygon named PQRS. It is stored first. So, this is our PQRS polygon. Next furthest polygon, the quadrilateral ABCD comes. Is superposed covering the portion PQUT. It is superposed and covering the portion PQUT of the rectangle and leaving visible the portion TUSR of the rectangle. So, this portion is visible and this portion is covered by ABCD. PQUT is covered by ABCD. Now, finally the closest, namely the triangle EFG, this one is closest, this triangle EFG is superposed entirely within the quadrilateral. So, in this way and covering it in the region E, F and G. So, the Z extent will define their relative position with respect to the viewer. Now, to determine the relative position of polygons, it is necessary to define the x, y, z extent of a polygon in 3D space as the respective coordinate ranges of the bounding or enclosing box, this box. Now, for the quadrilateral ABCD, what is x extent? X extent is xd minus xb. What is y extent? This is our y axis. So, y extent will be ya minus yb. And what is z extent? This is z axis. So, z extent will be za minus zd. za minus zd in this way. But x and y extents of two polygons will enable decisions to be made on their overlap. So, x and y extents will enable decisions to be made on their overlap. Only the z extent will define their relative position with respect to the viewer. So, z extent can only define that their relative positions with respect to the viewer. Now, some problem on Painter's algorithm. There is one problem on Painter's algorithm. Here, the key issue is the order of determination. Means, in case of Painter's algorithm, not always work if we consider this image here. Here, which polygon is the furthest and which one is the nearest, we can't determine. In that case, we need to segment the triangle and make them sortable. So, this is the problem on Painter's algorithm. So, for getting more and more updates, please subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.